Hi friends, today I would like to share with you simple tips on using your nostrils breathing power to enhance your body's healing ability or relaxing ability, dependent on what is the requirement at any given time. Now, we are aware we have two nostrils. The left nostril and the right nostril have different functioning. Now, the main function remains the same, taking in air, oxygen, and prana into the body. And next step, exhaling the carbon dioxide, the dirty and diseased energy, and refreshing our body. Besides that, you may have heard the left nostril breathing being called connected to the Chandra Nadi, and the right nostril breathing connected to the Surya Nadi. In English or in Western culture, we also call this to be the feminine side and this to be the masculine side for breathing purposes. Now, how does Chandranadi, Suryanadi, masculine, feminine help us here? Is, for example, if you have a splitting headache, right, and that headache is bothering you too much and you do want to take a painkiller, but you want relief fast, what I suggest you is you close your right nostril and just breathe through the left nostril for 5 cycles. This activates the Chandra Nadi more than the Surya Nadi, hence calming and bringing relief in the headache. The same thing can be applied if someone is having fever, especially in case of small children, and you can't keep repeating the dosage of medication before 6 hours. So you can use this technique. Same thing when a person is going through migraine headache, a person is going through ear pain, tooth pain, or eye strain. Same technique can be used when a person is going through high BP condition in which the head is heavy and the person wants to calm down. Okay. Now this, by just activating the Chandra Nadi, the body's calming ability is activated. So it can also be used for any psychological issue where a person is having stress, anxiety, or anger boiling up but not expressing. So this particular technique, just closing the right nostril and inhaling and exhaling through the left one for 5 cycles. Continuing doing this for 5 minimum or till you find relief. This is how, when we are activating the Chandra Nadi, we are actually cooling and calming our body down. On the other side of the spectrum is when we are in sadness or grief or depression and we want to come out of it faster. We don't know how to get over our negative thoughts and negative emotions which are pressuring us and making us stay in the depression. Also very good for when we want to get relief from procrastination. Simply close your left nostril and breathing through the right nostril. Simple breathing through the right nostril is going to activate the Surya Nadi, which is the heating element, which will give you the courage to come out of your depression, which will give you the confidence to do some work to get out of your procrastination. It will give you some amount of heat energy in the body so that you can move and get ahead of the sadness and depression that the body is going through. Now, physical ailment wise, where we can use this, if you're feeling too cold and you have the blankets on, still there is shivering in the body, just close your left nostril and continue breathing through the right nostril. When you are in a state where your hands and feet are getting cold, again the same thing, when the BP goes low, that is the condition where the hand and feet start feeling cold. Again, close your left nostril and breathe in and breathe out through the right nostril. Again for 5 cycles or as long as it takes you to normalize your breathing. Hi, my name is Jaspreet Kaur and I'm your holistic wellness facilitator and your mindset mastery coach. I keep bringing to you small tidbits and techniques to help you improve your health and your life. With this particular technique, you can try it for heart palpitations also when you're having high BP condition, fever, headache, or when you're feeling low and sad and depressed. Please understand, when you are feeling low, your breathing and your breath is also going to be similar. If you're angry, you're going to be breathing very fast. That time your breathing is what you need to control. And if you were to control it by closing the right nostril and letting the coolness spread into your body, you will get calmer faster. And on the opposite side, when you're feeling low, when you're feeling sad, when you're feeling not wanting to do any activity, and yet there are so many things to be done, then to activate yourself, to bring enthusiasm to yourself, please close the left nostril and breathe in and breathe out through the right nostril. You will feel the difference, and when you do, please come back here and share your experience with me. If you have any other questions on which nostril to close for which particular problem that you may be facing, please write in the comment box below and I will get back to you with the answer. If you like the video and you want this important information to be spread to the world, please do share. Subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated, and it's telling the YouTube algorithm that you are interested in such matter, and they also forward it to others to help spread it to the world. So that in mind, I would definitely appreciate your thumbs ups, your subscription, and your sharing it to your friends so that they also can benefit from these teachings. Bye for now. See you next time.